Welcome guys. This lesson we are going to learn how to create list. Okay, so supposing you have selected a particular cell here, you want this particular cell to contain cell C5 to contain cell C5 to contain the days of the week, or the months, or numbers, or even numbers. Okay, so this time around we would want to learn how to create list. Supposing we have numbers here, so before we create list, you just have to first have the list you want to create. Okay, that is how Excel works. Let's say we want this cell, but before that, let's bold in this cell so that we know the cell we are working on. This cell. Okay, we have created. Let's create a list. Monday, and we drop down. We drop down and fill series, and we drop down and fill series here. So this is the list we would want to find it to, because we want Monday to Sunday to appear here, so that we choose a day from it. We've created Monday to Sunday here. We click on the cell we would want to create a list for. We go to data, and we go to data validation, and we go to the allow. We go to allow, then we drop down, and now this time around we are going to select list. When we select list, we click on the source. So we have the source. We already have the information down, what we would want to appear in the cell, and it's Monday to Sunday. So we just highlight Monday to Sunday, and we press OK. And now we've created a list for C5. So if supposing we select C5, we are not to write any figure or any days there, but rather we drop down. We don't have to waste time writing the days because we've created a list. We just have to drop down and take any day that we would want to appear on the cell, and it will pick. And this is it. Suppose you don't want the source of the list to be found on the sheet, on the same sheet as you are creating the list. Okay, you can create a new sheet here. The name, the folder, the sheet, new something, and maybe you would want January to December. You want to create a list in another sheet. So January to December. This is the list you would want to create here. Let's take a different cell. Okay, this is the list you want to create here. You want to create the okay, this time around you want to create months. Okay, months. This time around you want to create months, and you don't want the list of the month to be found on the same sheet where you are creating the list. Okay, you can create a new sheet here. That's what I've done here. You know how to create a new sheet. Then you can drop down January to December, as we learned in our previous lesson. So you create a list here, and you select the cell that you would want the months to be listed in. Then let's create a border so that we will not lose sight. Good. We go to data validation. We drop down. We go to list. We press on the source here. Then we go to the new sheet and drag and select the list we've created here, and press OK. When we are done, you realize that it appears here. This time around we don't have the months in the same sheet. Okay, we don't have the months in the same sheet. But we are able to select the source, this list that we created. So that's how we create list. Thank you for watching. We are going to learn how to delete and insert columns. Thank you.